Hello everyone, welcome to Brown Barbell Club. As you guys know, we were almost at the end of the dev blog. So by far, I think this is the longest we have done, like 4 dev blogs back to back. It's speaking time for sure, but we did some rep PRs in this week. We're gonna share those PRs with you guys. Brief introduction if you are new here. We are two brothers. We post videos about our training mentality, diet, recovery, our garage gym, and anything that's leading to our first competition. So if this excites you, consider subscribing. Alright, enough talking, let's head to the gym. See ya.
Before I start this video with my rep PRs and with my brother's rep PRs, you might be wondering, powerlifting is all about 1 rep max. Why these guys are so much excited about rep PRs, and even they created a video about it? Well, I used to think same like 1 year back, but like when we started building ourselves in the development blocks and we started repping the old 1 rep maxes, I think that's some kind of achievement that we unlocked, and we are very happy about it, and we just wanted to share and feel good about it so that whenever we are peaking in the next blocks, and we will have confidence that we will be beating our old rep maxes for sure. Alright, first huge PR for Harman. He squatted 5 sets of 5 reps with 315 pounds with 3 plates. This used to be 1 rep max for Harman, I would say, I think 9 months or 10 months ago, or maybe 1 year ago. Now he's able to do 5 sets of 5 reps with this weight. He was quite happy, and I'm quite proud with the hard work that he has put up in these development blocks, and I think he's reaping his benefit now. This is me. I did 5 sets of 5 reps with 280 pounds. I think I have squatted this weight many times, but I never did this amount of volume with this weight. So it was a huge PR for me as well. So I'm happy about it. I wanted to squat like 295 for 5 sets of 5 reps, but I think there was some recovery issue in week 2nd and week 3rd. But I'm happy with it, and being happy matters in this game. If you are wondering, will we ever test our 1 rep max? I would say yes, we will, and it's coming shortly. As we told in our last vlogs, we were actually planning to compete in one of the competition that was going to happen in January 2021, but with COVID it's uncertain, so I'm not sure if it is happening or if it is not happening, but we will be doing a mock meet 8 weeks from now. So eventually, and we will be peaking, and we will be posting a mock meet that will be for us, and we, of course, there will be new 1 rep PRs. So of course, keep watching. We will update you with our new maxes in the next coming vlogs. With that being said, this was my deadlift. I did 365 for 5 sets of 5 reps. I kept the weight low for my deadlifts because this is sumo deadlifts. This is not my training style. I usually train conventional. The main reason we are doing a sumo deadlift right now because we just wanted to make sure that we are not accumulating a lot of fatigue for the coming peaking session, and this sumo deadlift is only an accessory for our posterior chain and for our squats. So this is a huge squat builder for us right now. But this is huge for Harman because Harman is fairly new to the game. He has been training only from last 1.5 years, and he has never touched this amount of weight for this much of volume. So yeah, of course, a big PR for Harman. And now everyone's favorite bench press. So I did like 100 kg for 4 sets of 4 reps at RP8, which is kind of a volume PR for me, which is good. I'm happy about it. The main goal of these development block was to stay healthy, get lean as much as possible, and build some muscle, and make sure we don't have any injuries like last year while working out in our garage gym. And I think we have been successful in doing that from last 4 months. Of course, there will be something different coming out from the next peaking phase, and we are excited to explore that. But right now, we are just happy that we have successfully completed 4 development blocks back to back in our garage gym with less equipment, and we made most out of it. I know this whole world is like gripped with pandemic, and you might be wondering, this guy is happy with his squat, bench and deadlift. But I would say you need to be happy to be healthy. You need to make make sure that you have something to hold on to, especially during these difficult times. So that's what we are trying to advocate, that stay healthy, stay safe, and stay strong. Doesn't matter how tough the situation is getting. So I hope everyone is safe. With that being said, I would say we will take a leave from here, but do comment, do like, and consider subscribing to this channel so that we know these videos are helpful to you. And just to let you guys know, we will be posting more about our off-roading trips as well. Other topics like mental health and how lifting can help you in your day-to-day life. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Till then, stay strong, stay safe.